Okay, so this one. Okay, guys. So I started sandboxing so you can ignore some of the nasty-ish stuff. But, so all you want to do for a subclass, you come here to your model, make sure you have that selected, and then you can go to editor and you can create an NSManaged object subclass. And then it'll create 2 files for you in Swift 2. In Swift 1 it only made 1 file, so I was getting kind of confused. I didn't realize it made this file up here, which creates an extension of my attributes there. In Swift 1 it would just make this file and it would just have those included in it. And every time I kept trying to add them in here, it was getting mad at me. And I was like, everything says I need it there. And I was like, oh, wait, there's 2 files. Then I found that. But so now you have this, and then when you go to the view controller Swift, remember that before you had to have 2 of these nasty things to get to work, and then it was even more nasty, you know, set value, blah blah blah, for key. But now you just have this one little thing, and by default, it's not an optional. Right now, as I'm going through and testing, I made it an optional, so it could be bad in
here. Where are you making it an optional?
What?
Where are you making it an optional?
Where am I doing it? Right here.
Oh, I see.
And so, yeah, this gets you back our user's subclass of the NSManaged object, and now you can just use the attributes like this. And you still save the same way as you did before, because no one was showing that either. I was like, oh, do you have to save things different ways? But nope, it's just all the same like that. And then this one. And so before, this is how you also had to do it with just like the straight up results. And you had to have it like this. But now when you do a fetch result, all of this is the same till here, and then you just convert it to your subclass, and then you can use the attributes like that too. So it's way better. I don't know where Johnny's coming from. And it's like, that's just like, it just works how it works by default. And then there's tons of different functions and things you can call on it that are just built straight into it. So, but yeah, so I'll get this pushed in Git so you guys can look at it. But this is definitely the way to go. And you go to use CoreData. Okay.
I pushed my code in Git.